So let me tell you about our bikes. The beauty is these bikes are so reliable. They've been really good and they look great. Some people just go, oh man, they look like a cruiser. Yeah, I'm not really into cruisers. I'm telling you, once you ride these things, they are sensational. I mean, we get, you know, these experienced riders that ride all over the world, and we literally get guys in the tour go, man, I could totally own one of those back home because I just love the bike so much. They're really light and they handle exceptionally well. While they're low CC, they're physically a big bike to look at, and big, roomy, comfortable bike, and they look the part, and they're just good. And I can honestly tell you, the rider feedback that we get about these bikes is outstanding. So if you're looking at different bikes or different operators, keep that firmly in mind that the bike you're riding is also suitable for your weight and your size, because the last thing you want to be doing is doing a 2,000 kilometer plus ride in Vietnam, riding some little XR125 which will have your nuts screaming, or excuse the pun, but you will be so uncomfortable, and they have little foot pegs and that sort of thing. You need a bike that's going to offer good comfort, and these things, you know, they won't cook you with engine heat. You're in a nice comfortable ride position. You'll get off the bike with, you know, with no back complaints and things like that. They've got a rack on the back if you want to carry your day bag and things like that, although the minivan's always following us anyway, that carries all the gear. You'll see in our other videos and pictures of people, including couples in their bikes, you can see they are comfortable on that bike. And that's what you want.